Cups up, hey, cups up, cups up, hey, cups up, cups up, hey, cups up, cups up, hey. Now put your cups up. Hey, how you doing? How is everybody?
Grab your coffee, grab your wine, cause we're gonna have a good time on the CASS Chronicles. The CASS Chronicles.
If you are in the building, put your cup up. Let me know you here. Let me know what's in your cup.
You should join the CASS Chronicles. The CASS Chronicles. It's the CASS Chronicles. It's the CASS Chronicles. The CASS Chronicles. It's the CASS Chronicles.
Uh-oh, work it up.
You've been working hard all week. If it's a little fun you see, join the CASS Chronicles. The CASS Chronicles. It's all so simple if you take a look and see.
Here we go.
Aspiring beauty, this is where you need to be. On the CASS Chronicles. The CASS.
Okay, so this is about to go down like Peter Brown around here, okay? We're gonna finish it. Let's finish it.
CASS Chronicles. The CASS Chronicles. It's the
I mean, when I get outside, I could dip it a little bit, so they could see these little lips. You know what I'm saying?
Cause we're gonna have a good time on the CASS Chronicles.
I'm just a pink lady today. All right.
Take me to Jupiter without a thought or care. Let's do some makeup, look at fashion and some hair on the CASS Chronicles. The CASS Chronicles.
I'll be holding my glasses in my hand like this to see real quick, and then I'm gonna put them down. What y'all think about that technique?
Chronicles. It's the CASS Chronicles. It's the CASS Chronicles.
Girl, they gonna have to lift weights for they do it in the house.
CASS Chronicles.
Unless you keep God first, and I will see y'all on the other side. Bye.
The CASS Chronicles.